The world of content creation is changing. AI is leading the charge. Specifically, AI video automation is transforming how we make videos. It's now easier than ever to create engaging content for platforms like YouTube. In the past, video creation was time-consuming and expensive. You needed fancy equipment and editing skills. AI changes everything. Powerful tools can now automate many tasks. This empowers anyone to become a content creator. No matter your experience level, you can produce high-quality videos that attract viewers and generate income. This essay will be your guide to this exciting world. We'll explore the ins and outs of AI video automation. Get ready to unlock your creative potential and boost your earning power. Imagine this. You have a great idea for a video, but dread the editing process. AI video automation tools are here to help. They use artificial intelligence to simplify and speed up video creation. Let's look at some examples. Want to create a script from scratch? AI-powered script generators can help. Input your topic and key points. The AI will analyze your input and generate a compelling script. Need a voiceover? AI text-to-speech engines can transform your script into natural-sounding audio. Choose from a variety of voices and accents to match your brand. These are just a few examples of how AI is revolutionizing video production. Time is your most valuable asset. AI video automation saves you time. This allows you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Let's explore the key benefits of incorporating AI into your video creation workflow. Firstly, AI significantly reduces the time it takes to produce videos. Tasks that used to take hours can now be completed in minutes. This efficiency boost allows for higher content output. Imagine publishing 2 videos per week instead of 1. That's double the engagement and potential revenue. Secondly, AI video tools are incredibly cost-effective. They eliminate the need for expensive equipment and large production teams. This makes professional quality video creation accessible to everyone. You no longer need a Hollywood budget to create captivating content. Now let's talk money. You're probably wondering how much you can really earn with AI video automation. The truth is, the potential is huge. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme though. Success requires effort and strategy. With the right content and promotion, earning $10,000 per month or more from your videos is achievable. The key is to create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Choose a niche you're passionate about and focus on providing value to your viewers. Monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. As your channel grows, so will your earning potential. Remember, consistency is key. Upload regularly and engage with your audience to foster a loyal following. Section 5. Top AI video tools, your creative arsenal. Ready to dive into the world of AI video automation? The landscape of video creation has been revolutionized by artificial intelligence, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality content. You have a plethora of powerful tools at your disposal. These tools can help you streamline your workflow, enhance your creativity, and save you countless hours of manual editing. Let's explore some of the most popular options. Each tool offers unique features tailored to different aspects of video production. Pictory AI. This tool simplifies video editing. It's perfect for turning long-form content into engaging short videos, making it ideal for social media platforms. With Pictory AI, you can easily trim lengthy videos into bite-sized clips that capture the essence of your message. Perfect for social media platforms, these short videos can boost your online presence and engagement. Synthesia. Create high-quality videos with AI avatars. This tool allows you to choose from a diverse cast of avatars, making your videos more dynamic and engaging. Choose from a diverse cast of avatars. These avatars can speak multiple languages and convey a range of emotions, adding a personal touch to your content. Use them in your videos instead of filming yourself. This can save you time and effort, especially if you're camera shy or need to produce content quickly. InVideo, a user-friendly online video editor. It offers a vast library of templates, stock footage, and music, making it easy to create professional-looking videos without any prior editing experience. Access a library of templates, stock footage, and music. This can significantly speed up your video creation process and ensure your videos look polished and professional. Create professional-looking videos without any prior editing experience. NVIDIA's intuitive interface makes it accessible for beginners and experts alike. These are just a few examples of the many AI video tools available. Each tool has its own strengths and can cater to different needs and preferences. Research and experiment to find the ones that best suit your needs and budget. The right tools can transform your video creation process, making it more efficient and enjoyable. Section 6. Creating killer content with AI tips and tricks. AI tools simplify the process, but your content still matters. While AI can handle many technical aspects, the heart of your content is what will truly resonate with your audience. Here are some tips for creating high-quality videos that captivate your audience. First, focus on a specific niche. Focus on a specific niche. This allows you to target a particular audience and cater to their interests and needs. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Instead, hone in on a particular area and become an expert in that field. Choose a niche and become an authority in that area. This builds trust and credibility with your audience. Provide value to your viewers. Whether it's through informative, educational, or entertaining content, make sure it solves a problem or fulfills a need. Offer informative, educational, or entertaining content that solves problems or fulfills a need. This keeps your audience coming back for more. Keep it concise and engaging. Attention spans are short, so get to the point quickly. Get to the point quickly and use visuals to keep viewers hooked. Tell a story. Visuals are a powerful tool to maintain interest and convey your message effectively. Stories connect with people on an emotional level. They make your content more relatable and memorable. Use storytelling techniques to make your videos more memorable. This can include a clear beginning, middle, and end, as well as characters and conflict. End with a call to action. This guides your viewers on what to do next, whether it's liking your video, subscribing to your channel, or visiting your website. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, or visit your website. This not only increases engagement, but also helps grow your audience and reach. Section 7. Promoting your AI-powered videos. Reach the masses. Creating great content is only half the battle. You need to get those videos seen. Here are some effective promotion strategies. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search engine rankings. Leverage social media. Share your videos on social media platforms and engage with your followers to drive traffic to your content. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other creators in your niche to cross-promote your content and reach a wider audience. Run paid ads. Consider running targeted ads on platforms like YouTube and Facebook to boost visibility and attract new viewers. Section 8. Case Studies AI Video Success Stories. In this section, we delve into the real-world impact of AI video tools on various creators and educators. These stories are not just about technology, but about how it empowers individuals to achieve their dreams. Don't just take our word for it. The proof is in the success stories of those who have embraced AI video automation. Countless creators are achieving incredible success with AI video automation. From streamlining their workflows to reaching wider audiences, the benefits are manifold. Let's look at a couple of inspiring examples. Real people who have transformed their content creation process and seen remarkable results. Example 1. A cooking enthusiast used Pictory AI to transform their long-form blog recipes into short, engaging recipe videos. This not only made their content more accessible, but also more visually appealing. These videos went viral on social media, leading to a significant increase in their blog traffic and income. The ease of sharing and the engaging format captured the audience's attention. Example 2. An online educator leveraged Synthesia to create professional-looking videos with AI avatars. This innovative approach allowed them to produce high-quality content without the need for expensive equipment or a production team. This saved them time and money on filming and editing, allowing them to scale their course creation and reach a global audience. The efficiency gained enabled them to focus more on content quality and student engagement. These stories highlight the transformative power of AI video automation. It's not just about making videos. It's about making a difference in how content is created and consumed. With the right tools and strategies, you can achieve similar success in your niche. Whether you're a creator, educator, or entrepreneur, AI video tools can help you unlock new opportunities and reach your goals. Section 9. Conclusion. Your AI video journey starts now. The world of video content creation is no longer exclusive. AI video automation has leveled the playing field. Now anyone with a computer and an internet connection can create professional quality videos that engage audiences and generate income. Embrace the power of AI. Experiment with different tools. Let your creativity soar. The possibilities are limitless. Start your AI video journey today. The future of content creation awaits.